Hi social media viewers, hi customers. I'm Chris, CEO Union Tool Europe, based in Switzerland. I'm going to give you now a brief overview of the EMO week. We exhibited here for the whole week, and this is an overview of the situation and what we experienced this week with my team, who you can see working hard behind me. We were 2 years in the planning process, and just at the end, when we were just seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, maybe 6 weeks before the exhibition, we were getting concerned and skeptical about the outcome of the show. Who's going to be coming, who's not coming. We were looking at the exhibitor list, we're looking smaller and smaller every day. Especially we were calling customers and saying, hey, we're looking forward to seeing you guys. And they were saying, sorry, we're not going to be able to make it, cost cutting, COVID situation, etc. We were not very happy about the potential outcome of the EMO show. The first day we set up the stand on the Sunday. We were looking up at the exhibition hall maps showing who's where, etc., and we saw more and more blanks in the map. We saw more holes in the map, and us coming from Switzerland, it looked more and more like an Emmental cheese situation. Anyway, the reality was completely different. The first day was quiet, of course, and then all of a sudden on the Tuesday, visitors started pouring in to visit the show. We experienced in the 6 days visitors from 20 different countries. And we had a fantastic opportunity this week to see our Italian end users who are on our doorstep here with our distributor who shared the stand with us, company TTE. Fantastic opportunity all around. We were 18 months in this terrible, difficult COVID period, and with very few customer visits if possible. But this gave us the chance to think outside the box. And this gave us opportunities for online training sessions, webinars with customers, fine-tuning our social media skills, concentrate on innovative, challenging development projects with our fantastic team in Japan. And as a result, here we are on the show, which is a great and was a fantastic opportunity and platform to launch these new and innovative products that I'm going to tell you about. We had 5 key projects. The first was a patented proprietary diamond-coated multi-flute end mill for carbide milling, which for greatly improved milling efficiency and metal removal. Fantastic. The next product that we managed to launch this week was the new lineup of our CBN tools for mirror surface finishing and a new range of 4 flute tools. The third range of tools was a new range of graphite and copper electrode milling tools, new geometries, new coatings, diamond coating, DLC coatings, and of course these are all enabling us to offer tools with improved tool life, which is offering major benefits to the customer. We also offered a new end mill for hard milling of hardened steels, up to where we can mill up to 72 HRC with 3 micron radius tolerances. This was all shown this week at the exhibition. We were extremely satisfied with the show. There was one major lowlight, and that was our Japanese colleagues who have worked so hard these last months developing all these tools were not able to join us this week to share the success with us and the customers. So, sorry about that, guys, but we look forward to seeing you very, very soon. I also want to thank especially these hard-working engineering team back in Japan for the continued development, the continued innovation of geometries, coatings, that allows us, the Union Tool family globally, to continue to be the industry reference in our field. Thank you to you all. Thanks for the organizers of EMO, and let's look forward to the exhibition in 2 years' time in Germany. See you soon, guys. Bye.